Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add weather icon in the taskbar of any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as Tray Weather, and the first list you will see it's developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you will see here releases. Just click on it. Now just below the assets you will see here two files, Tray Weather portable.7z and Tray Weather setup.exe. So you can download either one of this. So I'm gonna download the portable version. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Just scroll down below. You will see here the application Tray Weather. Just double click on it. So now here you will see various options. So on the above you will see a provider, and here you can see weather data provider. So you can select the different options here, whichever options you want to select here depending upon your needs. So just keep the first one, and below you will see here the API key. So you need to put here the API key. So you can see your instructions. You can directly obtain the API key by going to this website, or you can visit the respective website link which I'll be providing in the video descriptions. Now once again just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that you will see here one API key number. As you can see, just select it and just right mouse click on it and just click on copy. Now you can close this web browser and just paste it here on this box API key. Just right mouse click on it, click on paste, and let us test it. So you can see the API key is valid. And now on the above we will see here next option is the locations. So you can manually select, or you can just select the IP geolocations, and you can just find locations also. And you can just search for the respective locations. Click on search, click on OK. Now next option on the above you will see here units. So here under the measurement units you will see here centigrade, Fahrenheit or custom, and below there are more options here which you can check out by yourself. And next option is the icon. So you can change the weather icon, temperature icon, icon themes here. And next option is the icon tooltip. So you can change the value of respective cloudiness, humidity, etc. And last one is the miscellaneous. So once your all settings are done, just click on OK. And now just click on this Taskbar tray icon. Now you'll see the application showing up on the Taskbar tray menu. Now if you want to show it all the time on the Taskbar, then just right mouse click on the Taskbar and select this Taskbar settings. Just scroll down below, just click on this Taskbar corner overflow, scroll down again and just search for Tray Weather and just enable it. Now it will show on the Taskbar. So you can see here the icon, and if you double click on it, it will show you the current weather informations, focus, pollutions, and maps here. And if you right mouse click on it, and you can see more options, and you can click on the configure if you want to configure it again. So by using this application named as Tray Weather, you can easily add weather icon in the taskbar of any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.